afternoon, sir. In this video, I will show you the assignment 7, the library system. Click run. And nakita dito na nag-show na siya. Then, mag-add tayo ng book. Like, for example, Frozen. Author, Nina lang, kung wari. And year published, 2023. And quantity is 1. Lagyan natin 1. And then, add book. Nakikita dito na nag-successful siya ng add. And refresh natin siya. And makikita na dito yung title ng book. And then, go tayo sa access. Files, documents, and the library system. And makikita din dito yung book na ginawa natin. And then, punta ulit tayo sa Eclipse. Ayan. Kung gusto natin i-delete yung book, select lang natin siya. And then, delete book. And click yes. And nag-successful delete na siya. Click OK. Tapos, X. And then, dito, i-refresh natin siya. And makikita dito na deleted na siya. And it's done.